Going on, guys? Deathclaw69 here with another review, and it's about time. It's about time. I've been having this gun for quite some time, and it's about time to review it. Yeah, it's not an unboxing, just a review. But yeah, let's get on with it. Starting off with the details, the caliber obviously 7.62 by 39. The barrel is 10.5 inches. The barrel twist rate is 1 to 9.5 inches. Or 1 to 9.5. Oops, I'm not an expert. The barrel material is made out of 4150 steel. The finish on the barrel is gas nitride. And on the muzzle, you see the mini crank brake. The muzzle thread is M24 by 1.5 RH, whatever that fucking means. All I know is that it screws on the right way, not the opposite way like the regular AKs. Receiver stamped steel, you can tell by the dimples. The front trunnion is hammer forged, the bolt is hammer forged, and the carrier is hammer forged. Obviously the furniture on it, handguard, is a Magpul MOE AKM handguard gray. So is the grip. The brace is Palmetto's gray, Palmetto's very own AK Picatinny adapter triangle side folding brace in gray. That's the only thing that's not Magpul. The fire control group is a single stage, single hook. The sights, 90-degree combo sight / gas block fixed rear sight. That's attached to the dust cover. The magazine, obviously the Magpul comes with, I think it came with one mag only, and no cleaning rod. Apparently the barrel is made with 4150 steel. One of the other features that stands out a lot is Picatinny rail. As you can see, it's ready for the red dot, red dot, whatever you got, whatever optic. Picatinny, and along with the Picatinny rail comes the fixed sight in the back. As you can see, it is a fixed sight. I think the front one is adjustable. It is, yeah, the front one is adjustable. The Magpul furniture, pretty nice. The brace, man. The reason I got this gun is because of the brace. Look at that brace, man. It just looks right. It just looks like an AK. It doesn't look tactical. It doesn't look funky. It doesn't have a shockwave blade on it, or it doesn't have a AR brace. And it's foldable. That's my favorite one. That's why it's my favorite. And it looks like a classic triangle stock AK. Pretty much, or pretty close to it. A bit smaller. If somebody has tried it, one of those pouches that go on here that cover up this, it's a little pouch that goes on regular triangle stocks, not on the braces, on the stocks. Has anybody tried it on this? Let me know, please. I would like to put one on here, but I don't want to buy it. They're kind of pricey, and find out that they don't fit, because I am horrible at returning stuff when I buy shit online. As you can tell, there's Picatinny in the back. I think it's adjustable. There's 1, 2, and 3 gaps in there. This is where the puzzle piece should be, I believe. Or no, that's on the top. But yeah, it's that instead of plate. And I guess if you buy it because it looks cool and you end up not liking it, you can switch it out with the Allen wrench, or you can adjust it up and down, or you can just take it completely off. Up to you. But let me tell you something. This brace, I like it a lot. It's pretty comfortable. I think it deflects a lot of the recoil, believe it or not, from regular wood stocks or other metal stocks. It deflects. I definitely don't feel that as much as my regular full-size AK. I was gonna say it could be because of the barrel size, but no, this is shorter. Probably bumps harder. Obviously foldable. You just pick it up right here. It's pretty cool. Pick it up. This one's still a little stiff. The one on my AKV is smoother, but yeah, you pick it up, fold it, bam, there you go. Put it in a backpack. Fits anywhere. Obviously the Magpul comes with that Magpul at the bottom. Let's see what else. The muzzle comes off pretty easy. I think it wasn't perfectly centered when I first got it, because I got some it wasn't a fireball, it was sparks. So I think now it's centered. But the first few shots I got on it, well, I don't know, maybe it might be the barrel breaking in or whatever. I didn't clean the barrel before I shot it. Whoops. But it did shoot some pretty little sparks out whenever I first shot it. Okay, that's all it goes. Pretty, yeah, it's pretty close. Wiggles, not much. I haven't tried a red dot on it on the Picatinny yet to see if it keeps 0. I haven't even seen how accurate it is yet compared to other to regular AKs. I mean, but the other AKs have that little piece you put on the side right here. Let me see. Try to get this brace out of the way. That's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Oh, there we go. But you know, regular AKs have that little mount right here for your sights. It is hinged, as you can see, and they do that for maintaining 0 on your red dots or whatever. It's hinged. I think that's a row pin or some sort of pin, but I haven't put one on myself. I'm an idiot. I probably should have for the review, but I mean, this thing's pretty accurate with the iron sights. That's what I've used it for. I haven't done like a crazy accuracy test, but I've shot steel. That's about it. Shot steel, and you know, those little balls that you shoot and they bounce around, and if you aim right, it hits every time. But I've seen other reviews on it, and everybody's saying that the red dot stays on 0, so that's a good thing according to other people. Haven't cleaned this son of a biscuit since I got it, and it runs fucking flawlessly. Shot close to 1,000 rounds. I got it because I got the AKV first, man. I waited for the AKV 9 like 9 weeks, huh? 9 weeks, and I finally got it, and it was such a fun gun that I had already had a full-length AK rifle set in 7.62 by 39, but the fact that I liked it so much in a 9mm in the Draco or whatever you want to call it configuration, pistol configuration, made me want to get it. And then my friend also had a Draco, but with no brace, and that thing was kind of hard to aim, you know. So I saw this, and I've always liked the folding stock a lot, even though I do love the wood stocks on them, the regular rifles. And just the muzzle device on this thing, it just looks mean, looks nice. I didn't want it in Magpul furniture, but I ended up keeping it on there because I ended up seeing it in person, and it looks really nice. I liked it a lot. Originally I wanted it in wood furniture. That's what I have my AKV in, my AKV 9. It has a red wood furniture. But I ended up liking it. It looks pretty mean. I haven't tried attaching anything to the Magpul, but I'm sure you can attach a light. I mean, I've seen it done already on ARs, AKs. You can attach a light, I think M-lock, if that's what you want to do to your AK. Also, another reason I bought it is because the AKV9, I tried bump firing in, and I mean, I would do like 6-7 round burst, and then I got so good at it I could do the whole mag. It was really easy on there. Took a little bit of practice, not much. So I figured maybe this one would be nice for bump firing. Even if it wasn't, I still really liked it and I was gonna get an AK either way. But this one sucks. I can bump fire a Draco a little more often and easier than this one. Even though the Draco doesn't have a stock, to me, I think it's easier with the stock to bump fire. This one is hard even with the stock. I'll waste the whole mag trying to bump fire, and I'll bump fire maybe like once or twice on the 30 round mag, and it's harder than the Draco. I'll probably do like 3 consecutive shots, not the whole mag like on the AK9. And I mean, I haven't tried a Draco with the stock, but I'm sure it'd be easier, and probably do the half the mag or full mag with, you know, without the bump stock. Because illegal, no bump stocks here. ATF, none here. But yeah, this one is hard to bump fire. Might switch the trigger out. I mean, I've never tried it with the light trigger. I've never even shot an AK with fancy trigger or anything. Shot at ARs with fancy triggers. Bump fired some of them. But yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. See if maybe I can bump fire it for a little bit of fun. But yeah, that's pretty much it on my review. I told y'all that I had no jams. I can bump fire a little bit. I really like the brace. It fits in a backpack real well, nice and compact. The handguard, the grip is, I mean, it's Magpul. You can't go wrong with that. It has good grip. The sights are on so far. Shot about 50 yards, 100, and they hit. The bullets hit it almost every time if you shoot right. 0 malfunctions. All the magazines that I've put in there fit. My drum, my Bulgarian, my Magpul, and this fake Bakelite that I have. They all fit pretty well. The best fitting, I think, is the Magpul. As you can see, yeah, that's what I got on there. It doesn't wiggle, it just wiggles a little bit back, forward, but that's an AK for you. And for comparison, I brought out my AKV9. Let me fix the camera. Just for comparison, my AKV9, they're both 10.5 inch barrels. One does look bigger, and the reason is the receiver on the AKP, the 7.62x39 AKP7, is a bigger receiver, as you can see. They're pretty similar. I think height wise, the only difference is obviously this one's longer and the magwell on the AKV9, but they got the same brace. This one's black. Same brace. The handguard, I think both of these handguards are interchangeable, I'm pretty sure. Could be lying to you on the Magpul, but I'm not sure. Haven't tried it out. I love the wood. I was never planning on switching out the wood. My only complaint is the grip. Slippery, smooth when you're sweaty. They probably could have done like a plastic or a fake Bakelite look-alike with checkered, or they could have done a wooden checkered, but that's my only complaint on this one. This is my baby right here. Other than that, that's pretty much it. That's all I got. Please like and subscribe. These guns were fucking expensive. Sponsor me, Palmetto, please. Send me ammo. This 9mm is getting expensive to bump fire, especially right now. Last time I checked, it was like 48 cents a round. Jesus Christ, I can't bump fire no more. But yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe, guys. Oh, let me know in the comments if you want to know anything about it. Anything I didn't put in here. If you would like me to put more stuff in the gun videos, a little bit more info. I didn't get too much into the details about, you know, the technical stuff, because you can look it up on the website. Any other questions like gimmicks or anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll start adding them to the new videos, or I'll respond in the comments and let you know. Peace out. Subscribe.